Meaning of Disney World.
Disney World.
Disney World.
Disney World.
Disney World. Disney World is a popular theme park located in Orlando, Florida. It was opened in 1971 and is now one of the most visited tourist destinations in the world. The park is divided into several themed areas, such as Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and Hollywood Studios, each offering unique attractions and entertainment options. Visitors can enjoy rides, shows, parades, and meet and greets with beloved Disney characters. Disney World is known for its immersive experiences, attention to detail, and commitment to providing a magical vacation experience for guests of all ages.